today is the Honda GROM. I'm gonna lose the stock exhaust. I'm gonna put on the Yoshimura R2 kit. So the exhaust, the actual decibel killer, baffle, and then 2 pipes and parts. So it shouldn't be too bad. All right, so here's the stock GROM. Nothing crazy. This is idle. So just to show you the RPMs, this is sound. So I'm gonna do red line maximum. That was 9,500 RPMs. Just for reference for when I do the Yoshimura sound test. All right, so basically, I'm gonna show the bolts I'm removing. I'm removing the two bolts on the header right there in the middle. 12mm socket. Got one hand now, so I can't do it easily. I'm holding it. Also, gonna remove this rear set. Use the a wrench just to hold that nut, and then also this bolt, it holds the catalytic converter on, and that screw in the middle is the other side. So there's one from each side that's holding the catalytic converter onto the frame, as you can kind of see here in this video. So we're gonna get that done and get this bad boy off. All right, so I got the stock exhaust off. I know people have said in other videos, but this is surprisingly heavy. Just listen to it. I mean, that's 12 pounds. Other people have weighted. It's insane. So I think the new one's about 5 pounds, 6 pounds, something like that. So we'll put this aside and start prepping, getting ready for the Yoshi. All right, so here's a mid-installation video. I got the front piece going up into the header. It loops around. Then you connect the second piece right up in here. They connect, and I have not put the spring clamps on yet. Basically, there's one bolt through there, comes with a spacer, and it screws using the 12mm right into the bike. So I'm getting ready to put the muffler on, or exhaust rather. All right, so before I actually put this on, I just wanted a video of how nice this carbon fiber actually looks. It looks like 3-dimensional. I think it's actually real carbon, and it should be for the price. But product is designed for closed circuit competition, does not conform to US EPA noise emissions. Use a motorcycle subject to EPA noise regulations constitute tampering. It's a violation of federal law, unless it can be shown that such use does not cause a motorcycle to exceed applicable federal standards. Anyways, not gonna worry about that. Looks very nice. No imperfections at all. Welds look really good. All right guys, so I got it on. Wiped everything down with alcohol so you don't get fingerprints, so they don't burn onto the metal. I was able to put in the spring there, and you can see the other spring there. Got everything torqued down, 2 bolts there, bolt back there, this bolt there. And I'm gonna start this bad boy up, the Yoshimura R2 on the 2018 Honda GROM. This is the first startup. Let's see how she feels how she sounds. All right, so this is a cold start, first time ever. Wow. Sounds so much better. All right, so I'm gonna take it down in the driveway, let it warm up for a minute, and then do some revs. All right, so here it is. I do not have the baffle in.